Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to share 5 easy steps to achieve salon-quality hair right at home. Your hair is your crowning glory, and with just a little care, you can make it shine like never before. Let's get started. Step 1. Nourish your hair from the inside out. Your hair reflects what's happening inside your body. A balanced, nutritious diet is key. Think biotin from eggs and nuts, vitamin B6 and zinc from bananas and seafood, and proteins from lean meats and beans. And don't forget, hydration is crucial. Your hair is 25% water, so drink up. Step 2. Dry your hair naturally. After washing, gently squeeze out excess water with a soft towel and let your hair air dry. Avoid heat tools like blow dryers and flat irons whenever possible, as they can leave your hair brittle and damaged over time. Embrace your natural beauty. Step 3. Use the right tools. To prevent damage, opt for a wide tooth comb to detangle wet hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. Avoid metal combs, especially on wet hair. A boar bristle brush can help distribute natural oils from your scalp, adding shine and reducing frizz. Step 4. Trim split ends at home. Take small sections of your hair and twist them gently downward. Snip off the split ends that stick out using sharp scissors. Do this every 6-8 weeks to keep your hair healthy and prevent further damage. Step 5. Combat hair loss naturally. Regular scalp massages can stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. Try using essential oils like rosemary or peppermint, and don't underestimate the power of reducing stress and getting plenty of sleep. A healthy lifestyle equals healthy hair. Bonus tips. Exfoliate your scalp to remove dead skin cells and keep it moisturized with lightweight oils or leave-in conditioners. Protective hairstyles like braids or updos can minimize damage and promote growth. And choose sulfate-free shampoos to avoid stripping your hair of its natural oils. So there you have it, folks. Remember, taking care of yourself means taking care of your hair. With these simple steps, you can enjoy beautiful, healthy hair every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Stay fabulous.